Welcome back to our channel, everyone. On this week's episode, we go exploring on week number 2 of the Key West areas. The first place we head up to is Marathon, Florida, where we got a chance to tour the Turtle Hospital, the facility where they rescue and rehabilitate turtles and re-release them to the wild. Another location we head up to is the beautiful Bahia Honda State Park, where we're able to do some just beach hanging out. We were able to do some reading, just explore the area, do a little running while we were there, and just enjoy the day. We took a little video of Andy hand replacing a portion of the power plug that feeds our camper. So hopefully if you're a person who's a techie person or someone who wants to learn on how he did that, please stay up and watch that. We also had our last day in Key West. So that day we did a little more exploration. We also went to the Fort Zachary location where we were able to explore the fort. We both went for a run, got a chance to see some beautiful beaches, did some shore snorkeling, which was actually fabulous. Recommended to us to do the shore snorkeling there, and then ended our day at Sunset Pier. So enjoy the episode. Today we are headed to Marathon Key, and we are signed up for a guided tour of the Turtle Hospital. It's a place where they rescue turtles. We did see this morning on Good Morning America, which was kind of ironic, that there is a release of 4 rescued turtles from the Turtle Hospital that are going to be released at a beach in more northern Florida around, I don't know what time this morning. So I thought that was kind of interesting. So it'll be fun to get a little education. I think we feed the turtles maybe, or at least that's what I read on the website. It's a beautiful sunny day.
Yeah, I don't know about that. I think the more concerning thing is that I'm in the Florida Keys. I have a sweatshirt on and jeans. It's 62 degrees out.
But the sun is out.
Yeah,
Full
but
sun.
it's the Florida Keys. So that seems like a 4-alarm emergency to me.
Maybe whining. So he's always cold. we are the only idiots out here where a small little storm came through while we were eating at Tonio's, which was an Italian seafood restaurant that was right off of the water, which was fantastic food.
Super good food, but just as we got our food, a storm came in and a gal came over and rapidly helped us relocate. And now we have about a 5-mile bike ride back with really heavy winds, so we should probably get going.
So wish us luck.
Okay, so another project for the never-ending, always fixing in an RV is I noticed that our power cord was going bad. I don't know, so I bought a new plug, which I got to install. Apparently, I've seen online that there's been several Brinkleys that have had this problem, and I guess some people whined and Brinkley sent them a new cord, but it's a $12 part, and it's a good cord, so I'm going to go take it off and bring it over here and fix it. Safety first. Turn off the breaker.
And what is that big thing there?
That is our surge protector. It's awesome. This is the problem, you can see. That's not supposed to look like that. I don't know. Either wasn't installed very well or not exactly sure. It's kind of a bummer, but it's a quick fix in theory. But you gotta pick up this heavy cord. That's probably the worst part. All right. I don't know. This is actually probably a nicer outlet. This is kind of a rubbery plastic, and this is kind of like hard plastic. I don't know. Yeah, I kind of gotta. I guess I can just hack these wires off, but I was kind of wondering if I could dissect it a little bit. Save myself a little bit of work, but I might create more work in the process. I don't know. There's like a little lip there. Can't just
It's
tear
all
this.
molded together.
Kind of. And the trick is to not hurt yourself.
And that was
in the
what
process.
I was just thinking.
Not that anything like that has ever happened before. Now I'm sure that Libby has the first aid kit on standby.
We have a couple.
I am a bleeder. I'm not sure if I'm going to get what I want here or not. Ow. We'll see.
Right, see? Yeah.
It's tempting. It's really tempting to get the X-Acto knife.
Oh,
but
that makes me super nervous.
That's
I don't
scary.
Want you to do that. Yeah.
It did help, maybe. But yeah, I still don't see. Oh yeah, there's screws. Well, yeah. Let's see what we need in here. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get a different screwdriver. Okay, so that screw. Put that one back in. See that part, or this part right here, this metal band is what will hold this black thing in, which this one doesn't have any. This is a really poor design. Plus, it was clearly cut really poorly. So now the tough part is going to be getting all these wires cut just to the right length and stripped just the right amount, and then get them all in here in just the right proper way. That's ground, so that's green. I like pictures. I don't have to remember. But red, black, white, green. It's pretty self-explanatory, but you gotta cut all these out of here and re-strip them. I don't really have the best wire strippers for these humongous wires, so yeah, I'm gonna probably have to strip this back more because I couldn't get up into those wires. So I'm not excited about that part. I gotta be super careful. You gotta cut just enough, but not too much. It's gonna be super close. Whether I can get it where it needs to go. And I don't think I got enough wire to do that. Alright, so let's see. I gotta try to cut. Okay, we're making a little bit of progress here. Probably it's a little bit better.
Kitten? You really want to come outside, don't you?
Okay, I think I can make that work. Tighten this up a little bit. Better than factory.
Think so?
No, I don't know. I'm not done. Well, at least I got that part caught in there good. I'm just a little worried about how I'm going to get all that ground wire in that spot there. I wish I had a little bit bigger wire connector, or a wire stripper, sorry. Because this is not made for this big a gauge. Medical emergency brake. Put a band-aid on so that you guys didn't have to see the results. It's being a little persnickety here. There, whoa, we got one off. Let's get in that. All right. I like the looks of that. I got all of these stripped, which was a little scary and a little challenging because I didn't want to cut myself or my leg. Like, I was afraid I was going to cut my leg.
Yeah, don't want that.
I hate those X-Acto knives. They work really good, but they cut really well. Alright, I guess through the magic of editing, after a few minutes I rerouted the green wire needed to be on the outside, and it wasn't on the outside. So now the plug will go on before the green wire was in the way. 3 little screws, plug it back in, job is done, and it's almost happy hour. Had a really good Florida Man IPA, Cigar City Brewery. It's a Tampa brewery for lunch. It's a good one for any of you that like the IPAs. Florida Man. It's a strong one though.
So that means you need to do that after you're done here.
Well, I only had one minor injury, and
Yeah.
that was just a scrape.
Yeah.
So that
'Cause
the
you're such a good
X-Acto
leader.
knife into the leg or something didn't happen. That would have been probably a visit to the Key West urgent care
No,
or
we don't
something.
want to go there.
So I guess the only thing left now is to go over and put it into the power post and see if sparks come flying out.
Okay.
But I'm much happier with this plug than the old plug, if I'm being honest. I don't think the old one was ever going to be good, even if they gave me a new cord. But man, that one's never pulling out of there, so much better than, I don't know where the other one went. But
All right. So what are you doing?
Hooking the cable back up. Camper first. And yeah, plug her into the old surge protector. Oh, it doesn't fit in there quite as good. And then you juice her up. And you wait for something good to happen. Okay, now it looks like it's okay.
Okay.
Happy hour. Thanks for watching. Apparently, according to the YouTube important people, you're supposed to like the video, I guess, if you like it. And even if you don't like it, I guess like it. Why not?
And then comment and then subscribe.
Yes.
And then that way all of you can kind of see what we're up to, what we're doing, and enjoy the content we're providing.
Yeah, we're no experts here. We don't know what we're doing. We're doing our best. You know, this is just kind of something fun to do during our retirement. So anyway, thanks for joining us again, and we'll see you
See you next time.
time.